how to fix Instagram Reel Zoom feature not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you having problems with the Reel Zoom feature? Then you're in the right place. I'll give you some of the solutions. So, first things first, go to your app store and then search for Instagram. So, search if there is update option available or not. If there, hit update. So, sometimes Instagram not being updated might also result in errors and glitches. So make sure that you update it. However, if you don't see any update option, then go to your settings and then go to general and tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and then search for Instagram. Tap on it and there you'll see offload app option. Tap on it. So offloading Instagram will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So offloading and then reinstalling it again will help you give a force update to Instagram. So it will help you prevent all the errors and glitches and solve the issues. However, if this also doesn't work, then it might be issue on your device. So you might need to restart your device. Swipe down the notification bar from the right side, access the control center, and you'll find power button on the top right. Tap on it and restart your device. Sometimes restarting a device also goes a long way. I hope one of the solution helps you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.